Ladies and gentlemen, first I want to thank the opportunity presented here our work. My presentation is from field of biomarkers. Prognostic significance of MER21 and MER143 expression in tissue samples of colorectal carcinoma and colorectal liver metastasis. Years ago was the research of transcription focused on messenger RNA, the product of protein coding genes. Later was found that the majority, approximately 99% of all transcripts don't code for proteins. Such RNAs was collectively called non-coding RNA. The best known RNA, non-coding RNA, are RNA involved in photosynthesis, for example, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, or other small nuclear RNA. But last 10 years is the research of transcriptome focused on class microRNA. MicroRNA are endogenously expressed short single-strand RNA that regulate gene expression by inhibition of transcription. Approximately 33% of all messenger RNA are negatively regulated by microRNAs. And this little change central molecular dogma, because the idea was that messenger RNA passively transfer the information from genome to protein, but now we see that with cooperation, microRNA and messenger RNA they cooperate and result final effect on the level of protein. And what is also interesting that those small molecules have effect of hundreds of genes. I mean, one individual microRNA, for example, MER20, affect the function hundreds of genes. And because among these genes would be genes involved, for example, in signaling pathway of growth factors, the genes involved in DNA repair or apoptosis, microRNA could act as oncogenes by downregulation of tumor suppressor genes, or could function as tumor suppressor genes by deregulation of oncogenes. Shortly to biogenesis, the formation of mature RNA is realized by several steps. The result is any RNA duplex. This duplex is recognized by protein complex risk. In this complex, two strands become separately, and the mature one strand RNA bind to this complex and is used as a component that recognizes target messenger RNA. And today I know at least two mechanisms of action that depend on degree of complementarity between messenger RNA and the microRNA. In the case of imperfect complementarity, the translation is inhibited, and in the case of perfect complementarity, the messenger RNA is degraded, and intact microRNA could target other messenger RNA. aim of our study. The aim of our study was to assess of relationship MIR21 and MIR143 expression in tissue samples in prognosis of colorectal carcinoma and colorectal liver metastasis. Our major goal was to assess the relation to disease-free interval and overall survival, and we also compared the expression in colorectal tissue samples and adjacent normal intestinal tissue. This result was published by other group, and in comparison we obtained the information if are all steps quality samples were well done. And next we want to compare we compared the expression with microRNA